Hi teachers, are you still typing each and every word of your question paper manually? If yes, congratulations. You are spending way more time than you need to. But don't worry, I am going to show you how you can stop wasting your time and start using AI to create your question paper in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Just 10 minutes. Hi there, I am Suman and I will guide you step by step on how to create your question paper the smartest way. Let's get started. Grab the hard copy of your question paper. Sign in to any AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini. Upload your question paper and simply ask AI to type it for you. Copy the generated content and paste it to Google Docs or Microsoft Word. For now, I am using Google Docs. Now format it as you want. Fonts, alignment, numbering, whatever you need. And that's it. Your question paper is ready. Clean, clear and done in